Well, welcome back to a fabulous Echo Travel Adventures video.
Unboxing video?
Before we get started, if you haven't done so, pause this video, go down to the description, and click on that link for King Sumo.
And then subscribe to get those points.
Yeah, because we are still doing a giveaway. You want to check out the previous video, which is also on the channel. It'll be linked down below as well. Make sure you register because it goes all the way to November 30th, and you have until midnight.
And also about when you register, you do have to confirm your email address. That's the only way to take part of it, is to have a valid email address. So make sure to check your junk email, because we will send that confirmation email as well. And on
December 1st, we'll announce the winner on our Instagram. So if you haven't done so, make sure you follow this right down here.
And you get points for that too.
You do. So, real quick, if you're new here.
Hello, hi, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on that link. And hopefully you love our videos. We have an awesome giveaway going on, as Brian was saying. A lot of cool points, and you guys have a full month, a little bit over a month to get those. We do have a few right now, but we want you guys to, we want our fan bam to be involved with each other. So start discussions in the comments. We love seeing those comments. Those likes are awesome. We love seeing those thumbs up. Keep it coming. You get points for that too.
True.
Not just now, but forevermore. We hope to have that continuation of that fan bam with you guys.
Right. And if you choose to subscribe, hit that bell notification, because we do have 2 videos a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we might sprinkle 1 or 2 videos here and there.
So hit all, so that way you are notified when we do post a new video.
But we got some exciting news. We just got
our November. We did not rehearse this, you guys. No.
It's our November Tokyo Kawaii package that comes in. Just a reminder, if you don't know what Tokyo Kawaii Club is, it's a subscription based thing that you can do. You get Tokyo merch, Tokyo Disney merch.
It's $55 a box. You can pay for expedited, which we do because we want to get them sooner. And it's all customized by Michael. He does amazing.
And Michael's really good about making sure that he customizes this package to you. It's not just you just sign up for something and he just sends you whatever. He actually wants to get to know you, so that way you can get the best package available.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Oh, and just to let you know,
we're not sponsored by him either.
Oh, we're not.
We do pay for it monthly, and we love it.
So, fun fact, this was shipped on October 12th, and we got this like 4 days ago. So it takes about 2 weeks.
For expedited. If you don't want to expedite it, it'll probably take a little bit longer, probably about 3 to 4 weeks.
And because she got it last time, it's mine.
Dun, dun, dun. So show the bag. Look at how cool.
So, I think he's been watching our videos.
Why?
Because we got another kite.
Yay, it's Minnie.
It's Minnie.
Look at how cute she is. Look at her little blush, you guys. Like, look at how adorable. Look at that. I hope you guys can see her. She's so cute. We'll have to put her up.
Yep.
By the other cherry blossom one.
Yeah.
Those are cute. That's super cute. Oh my gosh, look at, she's even wearing a kimono. Oh no, can you guys see? I hope so.
So, if you've ever been to Japan Pavilion in Epcot,
or watch our videos.
Or watch our videos, because we love Japan Pavilion in Epcot. They have like a whole big section in the little store there in Japan of beauty stuff. And we got a mini cool hand cream.
Oh man! Cool hand cream. I don't want to open it. But like, as you guys can see, it's all in Japanese, so I have no idea what it is. But look at how cool. Oh, please see it. Oh. I don't know if it's colored or not because of the down here.
Yeah.
We'll have to see.
Oh, that's so cool. It's Mickey and Minnie embroidered in a kimono.
It's a pin, isn't it?
It's a pin, yeah.
Like a PIN. We'll see. That is so cool. That is really cute. And it's detailed.
And I think Mickey is giving Minnie a present. It looks
cherry
like.
blossom?
No.
Oh.
Just a present. It's so cool. The things that the Japanese think of.
That is cute though. See, it is a pin.
So I think this is a coaster, but before she looks at it, it's Chip and Dale.
How cute!
And it says, "We are ready for eating. Enjoy meal."
Oh yeah, it's acrylic. And it has a hamburger, a drink,
A tomato,
and ketchup. Oh, it's so cute, you guys. Ah, I'm definitely gonna use this. It's super cute. I know we keep saying cute because kawaii is cute. But they are. They really are. All the things that they think about. Like, wow. And it's pretty thick, too. I don't know if you guys can tell.
Yeah, it's a good, probably about a 1/4 inch. You know, and we actually...
I love that. I'm taking that downstairs.
When we went to Garden Grill for the first time, Chip and Dale actually wanted to have dessert with us.
They did. They wanted to steal it.
Yeah.
And then we didn't see... Was it Dale for a while?
No, Mickey. We hadn't seen Mickey yet.
Oh, okay. So then we didn't see Mickey, so we asked the cast member, like, we haven't seen Mickey. We've been here a while. We try to hang out. She goes and gets Mickey's hand, brings him to us, gives me Mickey's hand, and says, "Here you go."
The Garden Grill was actually pretty good food. Last time we went there, we had brisket. Hello.
It was really good. Like, it's definitely worth it. It's a little bit expensive, but...
$60 a pop, but yeah. We have a video on our channel.
Let's keep going.
But one thing that the Japanese is good for
I have a lot of stationery already.
Stationery. And this one is Mickey, Pluto and Donald, Mickey and Minnie.
Chip and Dale.
Donald and Daisy, Chip and Dale.
From Big Hero 6, Max.
That's so cool.
Baymax. Baymax, that's his name. Baymax.
But those are really cool.
It's really cute. There's a lot of stationery.
Oh, look. He even took the price off.
Yep.
And with every package that Michael sends, he says, He says, "Stay safe and rad, Michael."
I like his little notes.
Oh, and
it says Chip and Dale.
And even stamped it.
And it's Dale.
Oh, and speaking of his site, so if you go to his site, you can actually a la carte some things. So if you see something that you really like, you can get that by yourself.
They're called FOMO deals. So he'll post them. And he also has a Facebook, a Twitch, I think Instagram. I'm not sure. I'm going to have to double check that. But you can order them separately. You can order them with your box. They're pretty cool stuff. Like a lot of like the pass holder purses, I call them. I like those a lot. I should probably just start wearing those.
Please.
I only have one.
So, last but certainly not least, we actually got a lot of items this time. We have
1, 2, 3,
5
4,
items.
5
Plus. Holy cow.
Oh my gosh, you guys.
This is super cool.
Wow.
And we have 10 days to eat it. Look at that. They're cookies.
Holy cow.
They're cookies.
Look at show them the back though. Look at that. I hope you guys can see it. I hope it.
I don't know if that comes with a postcard or not.
Let's open it. Oh, right there. This way, yeah. There you go.
Again, we forget scissors.
It's easy opening though. This one is.
Oh, they're like.
Oh my god!
Oh my god! These are shortbread cookies. I want to open it so you guys can
so
see.
Look at the packaging. So this is before it's opened. Oh, please
And then
show it.
That's the cookie.
And it's from Tokyo Disney Sea.
I had the shortbread. You can smell it. These are so cool. These are super, super cool.
Bite into it.
I'll eat.
You eat mini? That's good. Those are for snacks.
I need some for work. This is legit too. It's hard to open. Wow.
Wait, does it swing open or?
Yeah, it swings open.
Oh, it's like a pop up. That is really cool. Like to have out when like guests are over and stuff too. With little things, or keep it for yourself. Hide it from the hubby.
There's crumbs everywhere now. This stole the show. But guys, really excited. Please take a look. I'll link everything down below for the giveaway and for Tokyo Kawaii Club. But guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much. I'm protecting the cookies. No, thank you guys so much for making it this far. And if you haven't done so, please like, subscribe, comment down below.
Get those points. Invite your family and friends. You guys get a unique link that's yours. So if you share that link, then you get credit for people that subscribe, comment, all that great stuff, and they're added to our fan bam. Like, how amazing is that?
Honestly, your support and your dedication to our channel is really, really appreciated. We really appreciate everything that you guys have done.
Those likes, those comments, the subscribes, like it amazes us. And we keep saying we're so thankful and grateful, but we truly are. There's no other words to really express that.
Right. And stay tuned, guys, because we got a huge month planned.
Yes.
Well, a huge event planned, at least. So we're really excited. We're finishing up the touches now on it. But guys, thank you so much, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.